Okay, so this is problem solving and reasoning questions out of 2E. So using x for the unknown number, write an equation and solve it. The product of 2 and 3 more than a number. 2 and 3 more than a number is 7. So is this my equal sign? So it's equal to 7. The product, so 2 times 3 more than a number is x plus 3. So there's my equation. 2 times x is 2x, 2 times 3 is plus 6 equals 7. I'm going to minus 6 from both sides. So 2x equals 1. Divide both sides by 2, x equals 1/2. So my number was a half to start off with. In 6C, when 2 less than 3 lots of a number is doubled. So 3 lots of a number, and then we got 2 less than that, and that is doubled, the result equals 5. Now be really careful, because in English we turn things around. We want to talk about the subtraction as being 2 less, but it's than 3 lots of a number. So it's 3 lots of the number first minus the 2. All of that is doubled, so I need to put a bracket around it. Now to backtrack on that, divide by 2. So that gives me 3x minus 2 equal, now I might multiply out the bracket first because my numbers are fractions. This makes it a little bit more difficult. So 3 times 2 is 6x, 2 times 2 is minus 4 equals 5, plus 4 to both sides. 6x equals 9, divide both sides by 6. So that gives me x equals 9 on 6. 3 goes into that 3 times. 3 on 2 is my answer for x. And looking at question number 9, consider this equation. Solve the equation by dividing both sides by 3. So 3, x minus 2 equals 9. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3 first. X minus 2 is equal to 3. Then I'm going to plus 2, and that gives me x equals 5. Solve by first expanding the brackets. 3, x minus 2 equals 9. 3x, 3 times is minus 6 equals 9. Then plus 6 to both sides. That gives me 3x equals 15. And divide both sides by 3. X equals 5. Which is preferable and why? I got the same answer in both cases. Took more steps on this side, ended up with much bigger numbers. Preferable to divide by 3 first if it is a factor of the right-hand side. So 3 is going to be a factor of 9. If it is, do a division. That's where I got stuck over here. I divided by 2, but 2 didn't divide into 5, and it was much easier to expand, then simplify here. But in this particular question, it's much easier to simplify by dividing first because it's less steps.